Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to swap WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. So let's get started. First, take WhatsApp backup on iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on iPhone. Go to the Settings tab, select Chats. Tap on Chat Backup. Check Total, Backup Size, Include or Exclude Videos. And tap on the Backup Now option. Now transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. Now open WhatsApp on iPhone and go to Settings. Select Chats and open the Move Chats to Android option. Tap on Start from the following menu. WhatsApp will start preparing process. Wait for it to complete to 100% process. Open WhatsApp on Android. Set it with the same mobile number as your WhatsApp iPhone. Now, connect your iPhone to Android using Lightning to Type-C data cable. WhatsApp will start the transfer process. You will be prompted to scan the QR code during the transfer process on an Android phone. Scan it using your iPhone. You can see your Android phone importing chat history in real time. Once the process is completed, hit Next and enjoy your existing WhatsApp chat on Android. So, that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.